In this video, we will learn about finding nature of roots of given quadratic equation. If the value of discriminant delta is 0, roots are real and equal. If the value is positive, roots are real and unequal. And on calculation, if the value of delta is negative, that is less than 0, the conclusion is roots are not real. So depending upon the value of delta, we conclude about the nature of roots of quadratic equation. So if delta is 0, roots are real and equal. If delta is greater than 0, that is positive, roots are real and unequal. And if delta is less than 0, that is negative, roots are not real. To understand the concept in more detail, let's solve a quadratic equation and find its nature of its roots. So question is, find the nature of roots of given quadratic equation x square plus 7x minus 1 equal to 0. So initially first step is we have to find the value of discriminant delta. So comparing with standard form, which is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get, so here value of a is coefficient of variable x square is value of a, which is 1, value of b is 7 and value of c is minus 1. Now formula for finding discriminant delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So this is 7 square minus 4 into a into c. So in this step we have substituted values of a, b and c. So next step, 7 square is 49 and here minus 4 into 1 is plus 4, and therefore value of delta is equal to 49 plus 4, which is 53. So our conclusion is the value of delta is greater than 0. As the value is positive, it is greater than 0. Therefore, as discussed, if value is greater than 0, then the roots are real and unequal. So we have to write the conclusion now. Therefore, roots of given quadratic equation are real and unequal. So for determining the nature of root, we have to first calculate the value of discriminant delta, and depending upon the value, whether it is 0, positive or negative, we have to write our final answer line indicating the nature of roots.